We're exploring Petrified Forest, one of the only dog-friendly national parks in the States. Located just over 100 miles east of Flagstaff, directly off I-40, Petrified Forest National Park offers a reprieve from the incredibly busy highway, taking you back in time 200 million years ago in a world of Triassic plants and animals. Our first stop is the 1-mile Blue Mesa Trail, which offers striking views of the striated painted desert hills, as well as opportunities to spot petrified wood. This is really bad. Oh my God. It's like hurricane force winds out here. Just trying to find some shelter somewhere. Well, I can see how all these formations actually formed on this high wind. I guess Louie's doing something. The petrified wood within the park is made of solid quartz with rainbow-like colors caused by various impurities within the crystals. Endless pieces of petrified wood are scattered throughout the valley floor. Despite the wind that was blowing at about 300 miles per hour, that was really cool. I mean, what I read is that the petrified forest here is about 200 million years old. So that's, I think, around the Triassic period. So a lot of these trees were likely like our modern day pine trees. And also I just kind of felt like I was traversing one of the moons of Jupiter as well. It's really awesome looking. The sand had kind of a fluorescent bluish turquoise color, and it really felt like another planet or some kind of foreign moon. Our next stop, Agate Bridge, was once proclaimed to be the most noted single petrified log in the world. The concrete beam was added in 1917 for fear of collapse of this natural wonder. The Jasper Forest area contains large specimens of petrified wood. You don't have to go far from the parking lot to marvel at them. While the petrified wood may appear as if they were perfectly cut by man, they appear this way due to cracking under stress of faulting and movement within the earth. Our final stop, an abandoned segment of Route 66, once served as the iconic Way of the West. Here you will find the remains of the old highway which slowly and silently decays in the shadow of bustling Interstate 40.
I'm a rolling stone, bound to roam. Come the morning, or I'll be gone.